Welcome back. A bunch of stocks which are doing well this afternoon. NBCC has suddenly sprung up, moved to the high point of trade. Has seen a big move in recent times. Let's see whether that continues or not. Godrej Properties, the real estate pack, continues to do well, so that one's at the high point of trade. And Samvardhana from the Motherson Group actually too has seen a wee bit of a spike, has moved to the high point of trade. So good time to get in our special segment, DStreet Chatter, where Nimesh gets us an insight into the dealing room chatter. Nimesh, what exactly has happened today?
Hi Mangalam, yesterday a small section of the market was expecting a pause, and that's delivered by RBI. So that's a bit of a positive surprise, and that had a big move in the rate sensitive sector. So real estate, NBFCs, all are buzzing in trade on the back of that surprise positive which came in from the RBI. In terms of the flows, again, it's a mixed day of trade, but I believe there's going to be a small market at closed basket selling at a leading FID. So maybe last 30 minutes you'll see some bit of volatility in the broader markets as well. But the big story is the return of mid cap and small cap. Since April 1st, that's the space which has relatively outperformed and on good volumes as well. So it looks like the retail interest is back, and that's helping a bit of sentiment as well in the mid cap and small cap. Big moves and on good volumes as well in the broader markets. I guess the big busy season will start for us next week when the earnings season kicks in. So IT will be the first to report, and there are some mixed feedback as well as far as the IT numbers are concerned. So yesterday, if you remember, I had highlighted about its sale tech been put out as a negative catalyst watch by JP Morgan. So it's going to be mixed as far as IT is concerned. But the good part is that there is a bit of return of mid cap and small cap outperformance, and that's positive as far as sentiment is concerned for retail investors.
All right, Nimesh, got that. But what about individual stocks? Give us the juicy details.
Well, Nigel, in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is Aditya Birla Fashion. That stock is moving higher after a clean out trade from a domestic mutual fund. There was a large block, some 35 lakh shares, and I believe some large HNIs has bought. So maybe disclosure will come, so that will be interesting. But the stock has actually corrected a lot from the highs, and now you're seeing a bit of up move in that stock. So that's the first one. The second stock is Aptech. Again, as I said, the whole mid cap and the small cap universe has seen some bit of a pullback, and Aptech stands out in that space. Big move in that stock and on good volumes as well. And I believe some HN action is back in that particular stock. So hence, that's the reason why you've seen a big move in that stock. So that's the second one. The third stock is Bharti Airtel. Again, been consolidating for a very long period now, but now there are first signs of some bit of buying interest back from larger institutions. So the delivery volumes are expected to be quite high in Bharti Airtel today, and some bit of buying traction is back. So that's the reason why it's part of my list. And the last stock is PB Fintech. In a day when there is a lot of momentum on the upside, PB Fintech is under pressure, and largely because there are some block offers being offered by some large institutions. It's at limit orders, but I believe that's the reason why that stock is under pressure. So maybe we'll see some large volumes on the sell side in PB Fintech, and hence that stock is under pressure today.
All right, Nimesh, thanks a lot for that. Nigel, you like the juicy details. But let's talk about some